Guys, have you ever watched a compilation video of accidents happening on the road? And you wonder, what if benda tu terjadi ke aku and macam mana aku nak buktikan kat polis yang aku ni tak bersalah? That is where Dashcam can come in and help you out. This is the 70mai M500. So it comes in 3 different storage sizes. Ada yang 32GB, 64GB and 128GB. And the price is RM439. So, some people might say, agak mahal lah bro. But, bagi aku tunjukkan kat korang kenapa this dashcam is worth it.
Shopee review, we check for you.
Hari ni kita dah buat giveaway for this brand new 70mai M500 dashcam. So, korang mesti nak tahu macam mana nak dapatkan this dashcam kan? Pastikan korang tengok video ni sampai ke hujung. Zaman sekarang ni kan, dashcam makin hari makin gempak tau. Even a simple, basic dashcam can even provide you with the most basic level of protection. As a matter of fact, it's a lot better than no protection at all. Bagi aku personally, dashcam ni is as important as having airbags. So sekarang ni dah banyak brand yang buat dashcam ni tau. Ada yang murah, ada yang mahal. Tapi it's totally up to us. Sebab at the end of the day, the whole function of a dashcam ni is pretty straightforward. Is to elakkan situasi di mana you know, this brother cakap macam ni, this brother cakap macam ni, aku pula cakap macam ni. So to prevent all of that from happening, dashcam is there. And on top of that, korang boleh guna ni sebagai bukti untuk claim insurance or for just peace of mind. Any level of security is better than tak ada langsung. Okay? Tapi tak semua orang perlukan something that is so advanced kan? Kita kena tepuk dada, tanya selera apa yang paling sesuai untuk diri kita. Let's see what we have. Ui, dia punya kotak lawa bro. A bunch of manuals. Well, so ni is the 70mai itself. Fui. It's a different kind of dashcam. Selalunya dashcam macam sebesar muka aku But this one, it's super sleek, it's super small. I think it suits like the entire aesthetic of an actual car lah. You know what I mean? Ada Type-C cable. I believe what is supposed to be macam where you would stick it to your car and then korang insert it like so. Is this the right way? Oh no. Okay, terbalik. Okay, sorry. Macam ni. There. This is how it's gonna hang dekat korang punya kereta. It actually looks so well for me personally sebab aku visualize like if kalau korang letak dekat rear view mirror tu, it'll be hidden perfectly. Oh, this is the port. So korang masukkan dekat what used to be a lighter port. Last but not least, this is... What is this? What does this do? It's over 9,000! It's to actually, you know, macam kabel dia panjang kan. You don't want to have dangling cables all over korang punya kereta. So korang boleh cucuk masuk kabel dekat the side of your mirrors. Aku nak cakap pasal dia punya design. Really nice. It might sound very simple, tapi aku suka sebab dia cuma ada satu button je kat sini. Kita semua tahu the best dashcam will record whatever is happening in front of your car. Tetapi the M500 will do more than just that. Biasanya dashcam ni bila kita beli dia datang dengan resolution of 1080p. Tetapi this M500 datang dengan 2592 by 1944p. And dia punya field of view pula is 170 degree sampai boleh record up to 5 road lanes. Mesti korang tanya macam kenapa tak ada screen on this dashcam? Well, you can actually view a real-time footage on your smartphone, tapi aku takkan recommend kalau korang yang drive sebab ia boleh membahayakan keselamatan. Let's talk about night vision pula. This is one of the best night vision dashcam I have ever seen. Sebab apa? Dia datang dengan HDR imaging and also f2.0 aperture, meaning lagi besar dia punya aperture, lagi banyak light dia boleh absorb. And kalau korang pernah experience benda ni, usually dashcam bila malam dia akan nampak sangat kabur kan. Dia punya 1080p resolution semua ni. So, this technology can actually automatically adjust dia punya exposure and reduce dia punya noise juga. So, everything will look clear to you. Bryler, tak ada memory card slot ke? You see, the problem with memory card is that kadang dia akan ada compatibility issues lah, ada frame skipping issues lah because of the memory card slot dah full and all these problems that come with memory card. One of the many things yang aku suka pasal this M500 is actually it comes with a smart voice control. So contohnya korang tengah drive kan, korang nampak something pretty interesting happening in front of you, korang boleh cakap take a photo and then this M500 will actually ambil gambar gambar untuk korang. Or korang boleh juga cakap shoot a video and then dia akan shoot an entire video apa-apa je yang kat depan korang. Tapi there are also multiple voice commands that comes with it in the manual. Now, ada satu juga sistem yang comes with this M500 which is the ADAS, which stands for Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. Apa function sistem ni? Dia basically detect your surrounding, apa-apa saja yang kat depan korang, yang dia punya field of view tadi tu, and dia akan alert you whenever things are about to happen. Contohnya macam korang tukar lane kan, dia akan bagi alert yang korang tengah tukar lane. Contohnya korang try nak cucuk-cucuk orang ke, which is one of the worst driver of them all, dia akan alert juga that you are too rapat dengan orang tu. Okay, and also kalau korang tengah drive and then ada apa ni, orang tengah jalan kaki depan korang kan, dia akan bagi voice alert juga, cakap pedestrian walking. So korang akan nampak lah orang tu. Just in case, you know, korang tengah main phone, tunggu traffic light ke apa semua ni, dia akan bagi voice alert. So, for me, that is pretty dope for an accessory harga kurang daripada RM500. What do you think? So M500 ni dia ada offer something that is pretty unique to this particular product for me, is that dia punya overlay tau. Usually korang guna dashcam, dia akan bagi recording ada macam tarikh, nombor, macam CCTV punya footage kan. Nampak macam bosan lah. But this M500, it makes you feel like you're actually living in the future, bro. So dia bagi this overlay yang nampak macam cyberpunk-ish tau. So not only in terms of safety, this M500 is dope, but in terms of presentation, tapi kalau korang nak, you know, keep it simple, you know, you can always opt out from that daripada dia punya apps. Okay, aku dah mention semua dope this, dope that kan. Aku rasa lagi dope kalau korang tinggalkan komen dekat bawah. What do you guys think of this M500 so far? Kalau korang nak maximize the full potential of this M500 dashcam, korang boleh enable the 24 hours parking surveillance, the car battery protection, and the time-lapse recording by getting yourself the 70mai hardwire kit, which is sold separately with the price of RM59. It is so affordable, but at the same time, it's optional. Okay, tapi apa benda ni, Bryler? 24-hour parking surveillance? So this M500 has a built-in G sensor. Maksud dia, bila korang dah balik rumah, tidur, and then you want to know what's happening to your car kan? This G sensor will actually detect any sudden movement or collision to your car. Contohnya orang terlanggar ke apa, it will automatically record the entire thing. So bila korang bangun, start engine, this M500 will alert you through its voice alerts lah. So which is really nice. And as for the car battery protection, korang tak payah risau sebab the 70mai hardwire kit was designed specifically untuk conserve korang punya battery energy, so dia tak drain banyak sangat power. And bila dia detect yang korang punya battery dah low, dia akan terus mati, cut off the energy to the dashcam, and it will save you less worry. Time-lapse recording pula, it's pretty simple and straightforward, di mana dia akan compress a 30-minute footage into a 1-minute time-lapse recording. So this will allow you to save a lot of storage. Okay, sekarang ni aku dah cuba try test this M500. Here's my few takes on it. Let's start off with installing. I think the installation part adalah part yang paling senang sekali sebab korang just tampal on your windscreen and you cucuk the Type-C cable, tekan on, everything operates smoothly. Now, 3 benda yang aku suka on this M500 dashcam. Number 1, design. Kalau korang pernah tengok aku punya review sebelum ni, aku memang suka design yang sangat minimal. So, this is minimalism at its best. Number 2, resolution dia aku suka gila sebab everything is clear, you know. With that resolution, mana boleh komplain, bro. And number 3, bagi aku, the night vision is also one of the useful tools sebab bila kita drive malam, this bright lights kadang dia boleh menghalang kita punya vision. So this night vision actually helps a lot in terms of recording the entire process. Now, things I wish it had more. With the price that it comes with, a 4K resolution I think would be a lot more worth it. And is it actually worth the price that we just mentioned earlier? Provided that you get the 70mai hardwire kit, aku rasa this device sangatlah berbaloi. Now, to answer the biggest question, is it worth the price? For me personally, 100% yes. So, awal-awal tadi aku dah mention pasal giveaway kan? So ini adalah cara-cara macam mana korang boleh make this dashcam yours. Komen dekat bawah apa 3 benda yang aku suka pasal the dashcam and kenapa korang perlukan this dashcam for yourself. Pastikan korang include #Shopee review sebab kalau korang tak include, you will be disqualified. The best and correct answer will get 1 free unit of 70mai M500 dashcam worth 439 ringgit. Be sure to include your details on the Google form down below. Kontes ni akan berakhir pada tarikh 17 Jun dan pemenang akan diumumkan pada hari esoknya. Syarat-syarat dia senang je. Pastikan korang 18 tahun ke atas and korang duduk di Malaysia. Okay guys, itu saja review kita untuk the 70mai M500 Dashcam. Jangan lupa like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos as well. And let us know what product should we review next, because here at Shopee Review,
We check for you!
peace out.